We're gonna tie this battery down today. Alright, so let's see what we get inside our battery tie down kit. Got a 2-piece design battery tie down, so you can see this guy will accommodate different width batteries to a certain extent. The kit also comes with these 2 foam stick-on pads, so it's adhesive on this back side, and you stick these here and here, and this helps better secure the battery in addition to the battery tray to prevent it from sliding around. 2 5mm Allens, and those will go inside this guy. Brand new J-hook, and then also hardware to bolt down the battery tray to the car. So with that being said, let's go install this thing. On the JSP website, this does have some measurements in case you want to try this out, see if this fits in your non-AE86 application, or if you have an aftermarket battery that you think this guy might fit. JSP Billet AE86 tie down. This is the billet battery tie down from JSP. It's supposed to be an OEM replacement for a OEM size battery in your AE86. So let's try this thing out. Alright, I got my 2 5mm Allens in there, just finger tight so I can still adjust this guy. I'm gonna set this guy about the approximate location. Actually, I'm not, because I'm gonna have to put those 2 felt foam pads on the back side of this, so let's do that first. Yeah, these felt pads really help out a lot, so you don't have to crank down on the battery with your battery tie down. Alright, now let's go install this thing. Alright, so I'll just lay this approximately where it goes. Careful, you don't want to, you can see I have covers on both sides. You don't want to do this and then short yourself. Brand new J-hook. This J-hook's always tricky. You want to insert this guy first. You can actually reach around and stick your finger in there. Make sure that you're actually putting it in the right hole, because sometimes you put it in the wrong hole and bad things could happen. I cinched down these 2 guys last, 5mm Allen. A good test, if you grab the battery and it shakes the whole chassis, you know this thing's solid. So let's shake the shit out of this thing. Ugh. Yeah, good to go. Alright, JSP battery tie down. I'll have a link in the description below. There's measurements in that website link to see if this will fit a non-86 chassis, or maybe you have an aftermarket battery in there, want to see if this thing fits with a non-OEM battery. Make sure you guys pick one of these up, and make sure to thank Mr. John for everything he does for the Corolla community.